Hey everybody, I'm Lisa with Excelsior College, and I am here for an exciting announcement with cybersecurity today. We have just partnered with Focal Point Academy, and I've got my friend Julian here from Focal Point to share a little more detail about what Focal Point is, what they do. But we are really excited about our new partnership with Focal Point because I love the courses that Focal Point offers. They really offer that hands-on workforce development and training that cybersecurity professionals need to really make an impact in the cybersecurity world for our security. And we all hear about the different cyber breaches and things like that. So, Julian, tell us what Focal Point does and how are they helping combat the workforce shortages in cybersecurity that we have?
Sure, thanks, Lisa. So Focal Point as a whole is really best described as a data risk company. And that sounds like a very vague term, but what that means is that we help clients and organizations to manage their data risk on all sorts of levels. So we have services that include things like identity and access management, penetration testing, cyber defense, risk consulting, all that kind of thing. But then also, of course, workforce development. So that's where we really bring to our customers the ability to defend themselves more effectively, to investigate breaches quickly and efficiently. And Focal Point Academy, that workforce development has its background very much in the DoD and military. That was kind of our genesis about 13, 14 years ago. So we've really taken this approach of skills development and what we call workforce development. It's more than just a buzz phrase to us. It's a real concept to the max. And the idea is that instead of well, here's a topic area, let's see what we need to teach people about this topic area, we sort of flip that around and we look at roles and functions that need to be carried out in an organization. And we say, okay, what does somebody need in order to be successful in this role? What are the skills that they need? What kind of things are they going to have to do on well, hopefully not a daily basis, but on a regular basis, right? And so we effectively reverse engineer then those roles and the competencies that they need into our courses. So teaching them how to do things like how do I analyze a piece of malware that's been found in our networks? How do I investigate a Windows or a Linux host that might be compromised? It's still running and I need to know what to do with it and whether there's something dangerous about it. So each of our courses has that kind of construct and they each build up to a capstone exercise, which is trying to encapsulate all of that. What is in this particular skill area, what are the set of abilities that somebody would need to be successful? And then we basically reverse engineer the course from there. And we say, okay, what are the cumulative pieces, the cumulative skills that we need to teach people? And then really come back to the underlying knowledge as the last piece that we address. It's obviously the first thing that happens in a course, but it's the last thing that we build into the course. What's the foundational knowledge that will get us to a starting point where we can then start to build those skills in people?
That sounds fantastic. And your courses are very thorough. And as a result of that, we have evaluated many of Focal Point Academy's courses here at Excelsior College for both undergraduate and some are actually awarded for graduate credit. So if I know you work with a lot with the federal government, we won't name all of those agencies, but if you are a federal government employee and you were lucky enough that your agency contracted with Focal Point Academy for that phenomenal cybersecurity training, you can translate that to an undergraduate or graduate degree with Excelsior College. And even better is Focal Point employees and students who've taken, whether you didn't realize you were a student of Focal Point or not because your agency or organization contracted Focal Point, you have earned free college credits at Excelsior with that. And then you're also afforded a tuition discount with Excelsior College as well, both at the undergraduate and graduate level. So check out more information about our partnership, and there's going to be some information below. So if your organization wants to work directly with Focal Point on contracting them for some courses, or if you're an individual looking to hone in, upskill, reskill your cybersecurity skill set, Focal Point is a fantastic partner to do that with. So Julian, thank you for joining us today. And everybody, check out Focal Point Cybersecurity. They have fantastic courses. You can't go wrong with them. And it's all great to me, but I'm glad you all are at the helm with this because you guys got some great stuff going on right there. And for the federal government and other major organizations in the country to be working with you, you're definitely doing something right. So thank you, Julian, and the team over at Focal Point Academy.
Thank you.